A first-degree murder conviction subjects the defendant to the state's most severe punishment. By contrast, second-degree murder is punished less severely. The elements of premeditation and deliberation distinguish the two degrees of murder. In People v. Morrin, the court wrestles with defining these elements. On March 27, 1967, Leslie Morrin and William Abell found themselves in an Ohio bar. Morrin was in the bar knocking back beers after a long day of work. Abell approached Morrin for a ride to Erie, Michigan. The two men had never met, but Morrin lived in a nearby Michigan town and agreed to give Abell a lift. The two men left the bar and headed toward Michigan. Morrin followed Abell's directions, and they drove to a remote location. Ultimately, the journey ended in tragedy. Morrin killed Abell using a pair of heavy-duty tongs he used in his work as a millwright. Abell suffered several blows to the head and a wound in the rectum. Morrin was charged with Abell's murder. At trial, Morrin claimed he killed Abell in self-defense. Morrin testified that during the drive, Abell grabbed him by the hair, put a knife to his throat, and demanded that Morrin perform a sexual act. Morrin explained that he fought back. Morrin testified that he grabbed his tongs from the back seat and struck Abell. The court instructed the jury on self-defense, first-degree murder, and second-degree murder. The jury rejected Morrin's claim of self-defense and found him guilty of first-degree murder, which required proof of premeditation and deliberation. Morrin appealed to the Michigan Court of Appeals.